CNMOULDING, NEV-Focused Precision Mold, making injection molding. The new energy vehicle revolution demands unprecedented component safety and structural integrity. Welcome to CNMOULDING. Founded in 1997, we have dedicated nearly 3 decades to pioneering precision injection mold manufacturing and injection molding. Today, we stand as a trusted partner specializing in high-performance NEV fasteners and fluid handling cooling tube connectors. For challenging NEV components, dimensional stability is critical. CNMOULDING utilizes advanced Moldflow simulation and 3D printed conformal cooling channels. By matching the exact geometry of the core insert, we eliminate thermal gradients, minimize internal stress, and ensure perfect dimensional accuracy for every multi-cavity automotive fastener and oil tube connector. We rely on data, not guesswork. CNMOULDING implements strict scientific molding principles. Every critical parameter, from multi-stage velocities to holding pressure profiles, is digitally tracked and logged in. Our automated production lines ensure 100% repeatability, dramatically reducing defect rates. For materials like PA66GF, operating under the strict IATF 16949 system, we enforce a zero-defect policy. Our quality control architecture includes ultra-precise CMM testing to verify micron-level dimensions. Because NEV fluid connectors tolerate zero leakage, every single part undergoes automated high-pressure decay air tightness testing.